Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum Assalam.
S- I hope all are doing well. Hanan, Ayan, Khadija. Which is the first period?
Yeah,
So, which is the subject?
science,
Okay,
child science.
science. Barshama will take. Okay. Yes. Hanan, are you here? Hanan?
Ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, all. I hope all are doing well. What about your studies going well? Did you started the magazine work?
What? Yeah.
Magazine work.
Oh, yeah.
Started. Okay.
No.
So 31st is the last day for submitting your articles. So try to do before the date. Okay.
Like, what kind of article it should be?
Like you can give them like stories, poem, reports, puzzles,
Ma'am.
anything you can drawing, digital posters.
Good morning, ma'am. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullah. Yes, Hannah.
Are drawing available?
Yeah, it's available. You can use like that drawing. Okay.